Welcome to episode 1 of turning international struggle meals into $100 gourmet masterpieces. Today we are tackling the king of the American college diet, instant ramen. There's only one problem with this series. I don't actually know how to cook. But how hard can it be? First off, let's start with the base of our broth. To make this broth gourmet, we aren't just using the sodium packet. We are adding garlic and a massive slab of melted butter. So let's chop some garlic up. Next up, we're going to prepare the egg, which I think all you have to do is just boil it, so let's hope for the best. Okay, that looks good. We can take it out. I found some radioactive cheese in my fridge, so I guess I'm going to cut it up and use it as garnish. Along with this, I'm going to cut some weird-looking green onions because they just seem right. Now, on to the most important part, the ramen with our interesting-looking broth. The instructions on the back say boil for 3 minutes, but honestly, rules are just a suggestion. Looks good, let's go on to plating. To make food taste gourmet, you just have to plate it like a pretentious restaurant. Put it in a bowl. If you don't have one, just steal one from your parents. Now, we add the green onions and our cheese that we chopped up. Now we can put our eggs, garnish it with soy sauce, then taste it. Okay, this actually is not bad at all. The garlic broth is somehow complex, and the random things I threw in there go well together. 7.1 out of 10 would make this struggle meal again.